Tomorrow is March 1st, which means it's time for the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser. So, starting tomorrow, you can bring in canned goods and dry packaged foods and money. Because did you know? For every dollar that's brought in and given to the Morrison County Food Shelf, they are able to purchase 2 meals for a hungry person. So, bring in your money as well. And every morning, your teacher will tally up the number of canned goods, dry packaged foods, and money your class has brought in and bring them down to the foyer. And on Friday, the class that has brought in the most canned goods, dry packaged foods, and money will win a sweet treat. And at the end of the month, all the food that you have brought in will be loaded up by Mr. Edgerton and brought to the Morrison County Food Shelf so that nobody in Morrison County needs to go hungry, but instead can have a full tummy. And make sure to stop down in the foyer and watch the food grow and grow, as well as be tallied on the wall in bags, so that nobody in Morrison County needs to go hungry, but instead can have a full tummy.